English. Hindi past, to be, I was.
मैं था.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. Ready to time travel to yesterday's Hindi? Let's go. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more resources, printables, and videos, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the Hindi past of to be. We'll keep it funny, friendly, and fast. Your goal today. You'll speak the past like a pro in minutes. Say it out loud with me. I was.
मैं था.
If you're male, or.
मैं थी.
If you're female. You were, informal.
तुम थे.
He was.
वह था.
She was.
वह थी.
It was.
ये था.
We were.
हम थे.
You were, formal, plural.
आप थे.
They were.
वे थे.
The forms at a glance. Repeat after me, nice and confident. I'll pause for you. I was.
मैं था.
Slash.
मैं थी.
You were, informal.
तुम थे.
He was.
वह था.
She was.
वह थी.
It was.
ये था.
We were.
हम थे.
You were, formal, plural.
आप थे.
They were.
वे थे.
Call and response drill. I'll cue the idea, you hit the Hindi. Big voice, proud past. Say, I was at home, male speaker.
मैं था घर पर.
Say, I was at home, female speaker.
मैं थी घर पर.
Say, you were on time, to a friend.
तुम थे समय पर.
Say, he was happy.
वो था खुश.
Say, she was early.
वो थी जल्दी.
Say, it was a joke.
ये था सिर्फ मजाक.
Say, we were ready.
हम थे तैयार.
Say, you were excellent, to your class.
आप थे शानदार.
Say, they were there.
वे थे वहाँ.
Funny mini dialogue. Listen to this tiny time travel scene and then shadow it. A. Yesterday, who was at the door? B. It was me.
मैं था.
And you? A. I was late. B. True, but she was early.
वो थी जल्दी.
A. And the lights? B. Relax, it was the switch.
ये था स्विच.
A. By the way, we were awesome.
हम थे कमाल.
B. Obviously, they were cheering.
वे थे.
So loud. Culture tip. Gender and respect. 2 tiny rules make you sound supernatural in Hindi. 1. Gender agreement. If the subject is masculine singular, use
था.
e.g.
वो था खुश.
Feminine singular uses
थी.
e.g.
वो थी खुश.
Closing parenthesis dot. 2. Respect. Plural. With we, they, you, formal or many, use
थे. हम थे. वे थे. आप थे.
Bonus. Informal, you were, is.
तुम थे.
Formal, plural is.
आप थे.
Speed quiz. Quick fire. Answer in Hindi before the ding. Q1, they were early. A.
वे थे जल्दी.
Q2, we were at the park. A.
हम थे पार्क में.
Q3, he was at home. A.
वो था घर पर.
Q4, she was sure. A.
वो थी निश्चित.
Q5, you were amazing. To a friend. A.
तुम थे कमाल.
Q6, you were kind. Formal. A.
आप थे दयालु.
Q7, it was a sunny day. A.
ये था धूप वाला दिन.
Q8, I was busy. Male, female. A.
मैं था व्यस्त.
Slash.
मैं थी व्यस्त.
30-second challenge. Your turn. Make a tiny story using 5 forms. Tell a quick past day story including
मैं था, मैं थी, तुम थे, वह था,
or
वह थी, हम थे,
and.
वे थे.
Keep it playful. Record yourself for 30 seconds. Wrap up and thanks. You nailed the past. High five. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these forms out loud.
मैं था, थी, तुम थे, वह था, थी, ये था, हम थे, आप थे, वे थे.
For more lessons, transcripts, and practice drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you in the next episode.